How's it going? Today we are going to be making crispy chicken tacos. First thing we're going to do is add boiling water. Second thing we're going to do, wash our chicken. Today we're using chicken breast and chicken thighs. I've already pre-washed the chicken. Now we're going to add the chicken to the water. Washed. Today we're just putting in plain chicken. It's not seasoned yet. I figure since it's boiling, I don't want to boil out all the seasoning. So after it's cooked, we will add seasoning to it after. You can crock pot your chicken, Instapot your chicken, but today I'm just going to boil it. I figure it takes the same amount of time, if not less, to just boil it like this. Now that we've let the chicken boil for about 20 minutes, internal temperatures above 165, I pulled the chicken off, set it on this plate to let it cool down a little. Next step we're going to do is hand shred the chicken. Now that we have our chicken shredded, I have it separated white meat and dark meat. We're now going to add our seasoning. To start, I'm going to add pink salt, pepper, onion powder. After adding seasoning, we're going to mix it all up. So everything that I've put in, it's all to taste. So right now I'm getting my assembly line ready to make 10 tacos. I have them prepared, so all I gotta do is put them in the oil, and I have to do this part right before putting them in. Now, before I had the tortillas ready on the board, I got a wet paper towel and I heated them up in the microwave for a minute with the paper towel covering the tortillas. That's to help make them soft, so when I fold them, they don't break. You kind of want to just hold them in place so it'll fold while it's shaping. Fry them until they're golden brown on each side, nice and hard. Drain the oil out. And then place it into your paper towel bowl. Let it cool down. Don't be an idiot. Remember, the oil's hot, so once it starts popping, stand back. Remember when you're flipping them, not to flip them upside down. All your chicken's gonna fall out. It's gonna be all over the pan. So make sure when you flip them, the bottom side stays bottom. So right now I'm adding the cheese to the tacos. It's better to add the cheese when they're hot so the cheese can melt down into the meat. These were the first ones that I made, so the meat's not as hot anymore, but it's still good. Now we're adding a little bit of guacamole. They don't look great, but they taste amazing. Alright, now that our tacos are done being cooked, we added our cheese and our guacamole. Now it's time to enjoy. If you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up or hit subscribe. Thank you.